It is a program that we run during the summer. It introduces elementary age students into the life of a police officer. We do physical activities, we do classroom learning. We invite our other community helpers out to explain their jobs, such as the fire department, DPS helicopter comes out. We are having HPD SWAT. So just to have kids look at us and see that there are different realms of things that we do within our job titles. So every morning we go out to the football field, we stretch as a unit. They jump over a 6-foot wall, and it's basically teamwork, getting their bodies used to working and moving.
One of my favorite parts about Junior Police Academy is the drill that we do. You'll practice drill like left face, right face, about face. It'll get progressively harder as you go.
The drill is something that we learn every day, and it is to give the kids a look at like military style.
I get to meet new friends over the summer, and I get to meet like police officers. I learn like new things. It's important to me because you never know like what's gonna happen. So then that's when you actually save somebody's life.
We have had a fingerprinting class, crime scene, and we will have K9 come out, social media, bullying laws.
Some people just don't know really what they do, and it's not all about arresting criminals. They do a bunch of stuff with the community. It's probably one of the best choices I've ever made.
Junior Police Academy is so much fun. I get to learn a lot of new moves, and I get my exercise in. I have trouble making friends, so JPA is something I can connect to. It'll teach you discipline. The officers here, they're great.
To be able to give back to the community, to show that we're not just a police department, we are community helpers.